Open your cPanel. Navigate to File Manager. Click on Plus Folder, and in the New Folder name field, type NodeJS, then hit Create New Folder. On the left side, find the newly created NodeJS folder. Click on Plus File within that folder. In the New File name field, type app.js and then click Create New File. Proceed to the Edit button. When the pop-up window appears, click Edit. Once the new window is open, paste the provided example code from the video, and then click Save Changes. Return to the cPanel homepage. Under the Software section, locate Setup Node.js app. On the Node.js page, click plus Create Application. Now, input the following details. Node.js version should be 20.0.0. Application mode remains development. In the application root field, enter NodeJS. For application URL, simply type Node.js. In the application startup file field, write app.js. After filling in the details, click Create. A green window on the right should confirm Node.js application created.